What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Why are you doing this? Is that the little pillow that you made? Why are you eating that? He did run out of cans, but he's not starving. He's got his meow mix and he's got his treats. Daddy went to the store to get him some cans this morning. Do you really, really, really want us to keep that dishwasher? He says he's getting tired of washing dishes. He wants to get this dishwasher out. He says he's trying to prove to me that he can load it. Royalton Royce, hey, I'm talking to you. Mama's talking to you. What are you doing? Okay. Good Lord. Mama, baby, stop it. Just stop it. Put that back. It was a nice pillow you made, but put that back. Why'd you tear it back out again? He doesn't know he's a cat.